Okay, this may seem a little convoluted, but there's my power supply putting out 12 volts. Black is ground, red is hot, 12 volts. Comes over and hooks with these little red and black clips to the wires that are red and black. There's a push button there. And then I change from black to yellow. So yellow here is going to the ground of the relay. That would be the low side ground coming from the blue yellow wire. The other yellow wire is hooked to the housing. My meter is hooked to the housing for the negative. My meter is hooked to the high side output hot voltage on the relay. Okay. Set my phone here so I can capture this hopefully all at once. No current is currently flowing. If I press the button, you can hear it click. That 12 volts is now being passed through my relay and out to the hot output, which would blow the horn if it was hooked up. Take my finger back off the push button, back to 0 volts, essentially 0 volts. Press it again. My 12 volts is now being passed through again. The relay is warming up a little bit, so it's passing the full 12, even go a little higher now. And that's all there is to it.